Thank you. Thank you. Now we would like to call upon Kirtika from BA Chanakya to share her thoughts.
Presence here as an IFS officer serves as a profound inspiration for the path I hope to tread. Our visionary director, sir, our guiding senior principal, sir, dedicated teachers, my dear friends, parents, and my vibrant juniors. Before I begin, I want to share a reflection on this journey, a journey my younger self could have never imagined. So while I was just said that we have to give a speech on graduation ceremony, I was writing my speech and then thought to make it more creative, and then I thought let's make it a poem. So I have written a small poem. A random student seeking quiet lore, unaware that within this hollowed glen my soul would find a wider, brighter door. I came to learn and leave, a simple plan, yet found a growth my younger self could span. Leaving the warmth of Bengal's distant shore in 5th grade, tender early morning light, I could not know what destiny had in store, or why that parting felt so strangely right. But every achievement, every mountain scaled up, proves that reason has at last prevailed. To the management whose vision paved the path, to teachers who kindled the dormant flame, to the helping staff who helped day by day. To director sir for your guidance as kin, to senior principal sir for the warmth within. You saw the child who arrived in 5th grade years and held my hand through all the growth and fears. 268 days and 23 hours, a journey of 6,455 more, a beautiful long road of season and flowers with lessons and memories I'll forever store. The clock may stop ticking on this final day, but this journey continues in a beautiful way. Sri Prakash did not merely teach the mind, it built a person, steady, brave and true. A heart of morals with ambitions lined, with values deep and perspectives live. I live with dreams to serve the nation's pride, with the IFS as my future's chosen guide, to take these lessons to a global stage and write with honor on a broader page. To my friends, those here and those now gone, you were the heartbeat of this long process. The bonds we broke, the ties that carried on, were all a part of this profound success. And to the juniors, trust the path you tread, for in these halls a golden life is spread. Coming here remains the finest choice you will ever make for your sake of every dream you wish to wake for. I leave not just calls or echoes, but with a soul that Sri Prakash has truly made. As I conclude, I must look towards the two women pillar of my life, my mother and my aunt. You dared to do the hardest thing a heart can do. You chose my bright future over your own comfort, sending me away in 5th grade so I could become the person I am today. Every achievement I have claimed here belongs to your courage. So, guys, this was a short poem written by me, and I feel that this is the last time I could say I'm a school student, and then I may say I'm a college student, but for Sri Prakash, I'll always be the 5th grader who arrived, and still now I would always remain a 5th grader who have arrived. And Chanakya guys, for you, I'll always remain your Peddaka, and I just enjoyed the whole movement and everything. Disha was the best phase we ever had, and the enjoyment. The School Olympics was the best phase where sections just got erased and we all got together. So yeah, Sri Prakash have built me as a person, and Sri Prakash is the soil I feel if I was a plant to be seeded on. Thank you, Sri Prakash. Thank you, Director Sir. Thank you, Senior Principal Sir. Like you have guided me in every phase of my life, and for even further guidance, I'll come back to you. Thank you.